US remained under European rule for over 290 years. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk how US, United States America become world superpower, world largest economy, world expensive and highest technology military, defeated Germany, Japan in World War II, landed on moon after Soviets reached space. How America becomes superpower. So in the post-Cold War era, the United States has not just been a superpower, but the superpower unrevealed in military rich economic influence and cultural penetration. This is all of happened because of these people's mindset. British international relations scholar Christopher Hill wrote this in his 2003 book, The Changing Politics of Foreign Policy. The saga of the United States begins with Christopher Columbus' first voyage in 1492, which led to the discovery of the Bahamas, which he mistakenly believed to be part of the Indies, part of the East Indies. This marked the beginning of European exploration and colonization of the so-called New World. Spain soon claimed control over the island discovered by Columbus. Meanwhile, the French established colonies along the Mississippi River. Over the next 125 years, Britain found 13 colonies along the eastern coast of what is now the United States. How did a land divided between European powers gain independence and become is no known as a superpower of the world? Let's delve into it. 291 years under European rule. 291 years. India 200 years in under European rule, but India is still there. मतलब meanwhile India is superpower, but India is developing. Indian people is deeply in religion debates. You understand. But people of America, the sharp-minded peoples, thinking peoples, there is difference. That's why America in top after 291 years of European rule. The American Revolution. So Britain gains control of North America but accumulates massive debt. New taxes imposed on American colonies to recover war costs. 1754 to 1763 French and Indian War. February 1770 Christopher Sider shot. 11-year-old colonist killed by a British informer during a protest. Public outrage grows. March 5, 1770 Boston Massacre. British troops kill 5 colonists during a nighttime clash. May 10, 1773 Tea Act passed. Tax on tea. British Parliament allowed East India Company to sell tea directly to colonies by passing local merchants and no have a taxes and Britishers, only taxes for common peoples. Taxes from yearly acts remain. December 16, 1773 Boston Tea Party. Sons of Liberty protest by dumping 342 chests of tea into Boston Harbor. April 18, 1775 Paul Rivers ride a first clash. British troops attempts to seize colonial weapons. First shot fired, 8 militia men killed. Marks the start of the revolution. 1775 Continental Army formed. George Washington appointed as commander-in-chief. 1776 Common Sense and Declaration of Independence. Thomas Paine's Common Sense states public support. July 4, 1776 13 colonies declare independence. That's the matter. When going when Indian under Britishers and still struggling for religion, we are Hindu, we are Muslim, and America have clear declare independence and 13 colonies and common sense declaration of independence because of his brain, because of his people fight for freedom, fight for good life. September 1783 Treaty of Paris signed. Treaty of Paris. So Britain officially recognized the US as an independent nation because Britishers can't control US because US people have fight for their lives, fight for their life, fight for their peoples. People don't fight that people who live for fight. A Britisher shaped the US's Industrial Revolution. Before the US rose to power, the Industrial Revolution had already begun in Britain. According to Time magazine, by the late 18th century, America was the world's largest cotton exporter because that time cotton have a high level value, but lacked the machinery to process it. To maintain its monopoly, Britain banned textile workers from immigrating. The US, however, kept luring them. 1789, 21-year-old Englishman Samuel Slater disguised himself as a farmer and sailed to the US. A cotton industry veteran, he partnered with a local businessman and launched Slater Mill, America's first water-powered textile mill. It inspired others and soon grew sixfold. There, you can see people have a courage to build. If someone give or not, we will build. Earning Slater the level star, Slater the traitor in Britain. Until the Civil War, the US economy was primarily agricultural, but by the late 19th century, industries like steel, petrochemicals, and electric power began to develop. Rail network enabled distribution. This shift created jobs, encouraged education, and attracted immigration from across the world. US industrial production doubled in 20 years because this production industrial production have going to drive right direction. 1879 5.4 billion industrial production, and 1899 11.3 billion, 11.3 billion double. Gold and silver exports 1877 5.90 million, and 1900 1900 it's going to 1.37 billion. Steel production 1800 century, so sun 1800 1.4 million tons, and 1900 it's going to 11 million tons. Railway network 1880 what 1880 1,50,000 kilometers, and 1990 after 100 years 3,10,000 kilometers. US enters World War One. 7 May 1915, a German submarine sank the British ship Lusitania, killing over 1,200 people, including 128 Americans. That's why America come in World War first. Though neutral at the time, the US stance changed as public's anger grew. In 1917, President Woodrow Wilson declared war to protest democracy. The US mobilized quickly. Troops, weapons, and supplies was sent to Europe. By November 1918, Germany surrendered, marking America's emergence as a world power. Because he has, he have pupils, he have a brains to lead. Pearl Harbor incident changed dynamic of World War II. Entirely neutral in World War II, the US was drawn in after Japan attacked Pearl Harbor on 7 December 1941, which killed over 2,400 Americans. President Roosevelt vowed to win the war after Germany's surrender in May 1945. America targeted Japan, and now Japan is the top 10 rich countries because of his people's technology, and still have India have a powerful country, but his people are poor. People have no money. People fighting for their foods, people fighting for their homes. You can think the fourth largest economy in the world, fourth powerful country in the world, and their people fighting for food, fighting for homes. You can understand. President Harry Truman, determined to end the war swiftly, authorized atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Japan surrendered on 2 September, ending the war. Over 330,000 American soldiers died. Well, that's why war is important, because if more people you have a more problems. We don't need a population, we need a brains, we need a quality of peoples, not just peoples like dead peoples. Will war typically leads to inflation, poverty, and economic instability. Economic stability. World War II had a markedly different impact on the United States. It provided a pathway out of the Great Depression, created millions of jobs, laid the foundation for the world largest, and still have highest technology, and established America as a global superpower. Starting. According to the Council of Foreign Relations, during the war, nearly 170 million new jobs were created. देख रहे हो? You can see मतलब war after war, country going rich, going creativity, because of people have jobs. And India, you compare India have no jobs because of peoples, lot of lot of peoples. We don't want a pupils, we want a people of quality of peoples, but there is pupils, lot of pupils. This is the reason why Indian peoples are poor, but not country. Nearly 170 million new jobs were created in the US. Outside the military, industrial production soared by 96%, corporate tax revenue doubled, and technological innovation accelerated. That's why people are busy in their jobs, in their work, and no time to protest, religious, this, that. Race between US and USSR for global domination, because that time USSR in top. In 1947, Truman launched a doctrine to contain communism, marking the beginning of the Cold War, which lasted until 1991. It was declaration that plunged the world into a prolonged crisis for decades and claimed the lives of millions of innocents. However, there was no direct war between the US and USSR. Now Russia. Instead, both powers supported opposing sides in conflicts across other nations. This era came to be known as the Cold War, which lasted for approximately 46 years from 1947 to 1991. The other significant change it brought was the beginning of an arms race. The USSR tested an atomic bomb in 1949, because did say I said USSR already in top. That's why the second country you who tested atomic bomb in 1949, promoting the US to develop the more powerful hydrogen bomb tested in 1952. The explosion was 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Nagasaki. 10 months later, on August 12, 1953, the USSR conducted its first hydrogen bomb test. US landed on the moon, Soviet Union, USSR landed on the moon. And on 12 April 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. Weeks later, President Kennedy pledged to send a man to the moon. At that time, the United States had no clear plan in space. Yet just 8 years later, July 20, 1969, the American Space Center received a historic message from Neil Armstrong. The Eagle has landed. With those words, the US, मतलब every country have some animal. India have a tiger, China have a dragon, US have a eagle. Every country. The US issued a new chapter in the space race. and US going world superpower. Global trade in dollars 80%, international payments in dollars 58%, world largest economy. GDP 29.18 trillion, 1.4 of global GDP. You can see US stock markets 50 trillion, 10x India. You can see if India won, US have a 10. Top 5 global firms: Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet. All Americans. You can see all Americans. Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet. Top 5 global firms. All American. Why? Because of his people. People can people know how to use technology for his profits, not for his growth, not for downfall. And today Indian peoples have a depression, seeing Instagram and having a depression. World strongest military, active troops 1.3 million, overseas bases 800 plus, and other countries and high tech technologies, and they still in safe. Defense budget 820 billion, 10x India. If India have a 1, US have a 10. Arms exports 2019-2023 40% of global share. World 40% arms exports. This time to export arms. That time exports export steel, and now time export arms. Global leader, unmatched military technologies, highest technology in the